And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine under the rain.
Okay, my name is Calvin Whitaker. Valerie Whitaker was my wife. We was childhood sweethearts, and we got married. We spent 24 years together, and that was the most perfect relationship that anybody would want out of life. I mean, we loved each other. We traveled around the world. Every time I deployed or whatever, she took care of the household. She took care of the kids. She took care of everything. We had a dream life. We had the nice cars, the house, and everything you wanted out of life. We had started our own business. And I was just talking to her while she was in the hospital that she didn't have to work no more. Our business was going real well. And this year was, I told her this year was our year, that we were going to travel around the world, visit family and friends, things that we didn't have a chance to do over the years, being deployed in Desert Storm, Kuwait, Korea, Iraq War. And we were just going to plan this whole year to just travel and see families and friends that we haven't seen in a long time. But it's God's will that took her, and I prayed that God would change his mind and leave her here on earth, but we still had work to do for the Lord. But she's in a better place, and I really didn't understand why he took her away, but I kind of understand now, and I'm slowly understanding what his will was. But that was my baby, and I love